First aid kit. All homes, workplaces, and public areas should have portable first aid kits. There are two major categories of items inside the first aid kit. The first category is dressings, including gauze pads and adhesive strips. The second category is bandages, including triangular bandages, roller bandages, and tubular gauze bandages. The basic supplies of the first aid kit for general use including the followings: elastic crepe bandage, plaster, dressing, triangular bandage, disinfectant, eye lotion, alcohol, absorbent cotton wool roll conforming, sterile non-medicated dressing, eye pad, adhesive tape, notepad and pen, kidney dish, scissors, safety pin, mask, thermometer, disposable gloves, pen light, face shield, forceps, cold pack, first aid manual. The above-mentioned first aid items are recommended by Hong Kong St. John Ambulance for general use. You may want to tailor your first aid kit based on the specific venue, events, and number of users.